Not all apps on your iPhone are created equal. Some of them drain your battery faster than others because they're power hungry and consume that battery quickly, even though you're not on it a whole lot during the day. I'm going to walk you through how to find those specific apps on your iPhone that are using up the most power and how to limit them so they don't use so much battery. To do that, we're going to first tap on the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap on Battery under Personal Hotspot. Scroll down again and tap on View All Battery Usage. Now at the top here, you can see several days in the past week that you have used battery. I would recommend tapping on one that you've used a lot of your battery. In my case, it was last Tuesday, or Thursday rather. Now, I'm going to scroll down from here and it will show me which apps use the most amount of battery. Now, keep in mind, this is a little tricky because you don't want to just look at the apps that have consumed the most amount of your battery. You're going to look at it relative to how much time it was on screen. So you can see Reddit used 10%, but it was on the screen for an hour I was on Reddit. However, Google Maps used 10%, but it was only on screen for 6 minutes. That means Google Maps was way more power hungry than Reddit was. Other ones like Spotify, Safari, and some deleted apps. So essentially you're going to check all of these apps and find the biggest culprits. After you have in your mind which apps are consuming the most amount of battery, let's fix that by tapping the back arrow at the top left. Tap the back arrow again, and then scroll down. Tap on General midway down. Scroll down and tap on Background App Refresh. Now, if this is turned on, let me just turn it on real quick. If that is turned on and you have certain apps turned on, for instance, Google Maps, this is enabled. This means that it can constantly refresh and run in the background, using up your battery. So I would recommend at the very least finding those apps that have used most of your battery and turning off background app refresh. Or at the top, you can just tap on background app refresh and then just toggle this off. The next thing we're going to do is go to that specific app. So tap the back arrow again, and then tap the back arrow again. Scroll down to the bottom, tap on apps at the bottom, and then scroll down until you find that app. Let's say in this case, I was looking at Reddit. So I'm going to scroll down and find Reddit on this list. Tap on the app. And a few things you're going to check on here. One is location. If it's set to using your location, this will consume a lot of battery life. For instance, Google Maps uses a lot of battery because it's constantly tracking my location, but you kind of need that because you're navigating to somewhere while using Google Maps. However, other apps, if for instance Reddit is constantly using my location, just switch that to never. Tap the back arrow. You're also going to turn off live activities. If this is turned on, this means it will pop up in the little island at the top, indicating that there's basically stuff going on. It'll have various information in that dynamic island. You don't necessarily need that. I would recommend turning that off. You can also go through here and turn off photo access, cell data as well. Just go through here and essentially control or limit the functionality of that app. And then the next thing I would recommend doing, if the app is open that is consuming a lot of your battery, for instance, WhatsApp, when you're done using it, just swipe up and over to the right, and then swipe up to close out of it. And then those specific apps that are using the most amount of your battery will be quelled and they won't use up as much battery throughout the day. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.